Hello everyone, my name is Imranjeet Singh. Today we will discuss the topic thermochemical degradation of biomass. We will cover the following contents. What is biomass? Main conversion technologies of biomass into energy, thermochemical degradation, pyrolysis and its advantages, types of pyrolysis, liquefaction, bio-oil and biocare. Biomass. Biomass is the plant or animal material used for the energy production or in various industrial processes as raw material for the range of products. It can be purposely grown energy crops, woods or forest residues, waste from food crops, horticulture, food processing, animal farming or human waste for sewage plants. Main conversion technologies of biomass into energy: direct combustion, thermochemical combustion, biochemical combustion, biotechnology or nanotechnology. Thermochemical degradation. It uses controlled heating as a dominant mechanism to convert biomass. It converts biomass into higher heating fuel. Types are based on the parameters such as particle size and heat rate. Types of thermochemical conversion: combustion, gasification, liquefaction, and pyrolysis. Pyrolysis, the word resulting from two Greek words pyro, which means fire, and lysis, which means disintegration into integral parts. Thermochemical degradation process of pyrolysis take place in the absence of oxygen. The end product of biomass pyrolysis consists of biocare, bio-oil and gases. Pyrolysis process emit mainly methane, hydrogen, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Moisture content of the feedstock should be around 10%. Particle size of the feedstock: mostly small size particles are processed which are around 2 mm. Advantages of pyrolysis: it is a simple, inexpensive technology for processing a wide variety of feedstock. It reduces the waste going to landfill and greenhouse emission. It reduces the risk of water pollution. It has the potential to reduce the country's dependence on imported energy resources by generating energy from domestic resources. Waste management: with the help of modern pyrolysis technology is inexpensive than disposal to landfills. Construction of pyrolysis power plant is a relatively rapid process. Types of pyrolysis: fast pyrolysis, slow pyrolysis, flash pyrolysis. Fast pyrolysis: organic matters are rapidly heated to 450 to 600 degrees Celsius in the absence of air. Under these conditions, organic vapors, pyrolysis, gases, charcoal are produced. The vapors are condensed to bio-oil. 60 to 75% weight of the feedstock is converted into oil. Slow pyrolysis: slow heating of the biomass to 400 to 500 degrees Celsius in the absence of air. It takes several hours to complete. Main emphasis is laid on the biocare production. Flash pyrolysis: it takes very short time, which is less than 0.5 seconds, achieve up to 75% of the bio-oil yield, low residue formation, high reaction temperature between 700 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. Its limitations are poor thermal stability and corrosionless of the oil. What is liquefaction? Thermochemical conversion of the biomass into liquid fuel by processing in hot pressurized environment for sufficient time. It provides a mean to wet materials for drying. Liquefaction process take place at low temperature between 250 to 350 degrees Celsius, high pressure 100 to 200 bar, better quality and high yield as compared to pyrolysis. Product has higher chemical stability, higher heating value, low oxygen content, and high hydrogen carbon ratio. Comparison between pyrolysis and liquefaction. Conversion yield: Up to 67% obtained for HTL means liquefaction at 220 degrees Celsius. Up to 60% obtained for pyrolysis at 550 degrees Celsius. Higher heating value increases with increasing temperature for HTL, constant in case of pyrolysis. Temperature and pressure conditions for liquefaction. Low temperature between 250 to 350 degrees Celsius is required. High pressure between 100 to 200 bar. Pyrolysis takes place at moderate temperature of 450 to 700 degrees Celsius and it takes place at atmospheric pressure. Bio-oil. It is the dark brown liquid and has the similar composition to biomass. Bio-oil is not suitable for direct use in standard internal combustion engines. Oil can be upgraded to either a special engine fuel. Advantages of bio-oil over solid fuel. It is easy to transport and store, easily combustible, a vital source for wide range of the structural composition of feedstock bio-oil aid in heating LPGs. 46% bio-oil of 26 megajoule per kg. Vegetable waste. 27.6% bio-oil. For plant growth rate of crop increased, quality of water improved, reduction in nutrient leaching. It helps in providing space for microorganisms which are beneficial for the soil. Thank you.